Good day to all of you. This is Ben Simple Vlog. Today I will teach you how to change build equipment item in your favorite Heroes Arena hero. But first, if you are new in my channel, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell of my YouTube channel Simple Vlog so that I can update you to my new video that I will upload it now. I will teach how to change your build equipment item in your favorite heroes in Heroes Arena. Let's start this. First, you're gonna click the free battle in down below. If you click it, you can see the equipment, chat, emoji, and ability. But today, I will teach you to change your build equipment item in your hero. So click the equipment. There you go. You can see down below of your favorite hero. You can see 6 item build equipment. That is your previous build item. But today, I will teach you how to change that 6 item build. First, we're gonna look the build attack item. You can see all the attack build item that you wanna choose in your hero. Then we click the magic item. There you go. You can see all the magic item. It's up to you if you wanna choose them in your hero. Okay, then we go to another build item. Click the defense so that we can all see the defense item. Okay, after you finish see all the defense item, we go to another build. Click the movement so that we can see all the movement item. There you go. You can see all the movement item. Okay, now we go to last build item. Click the jungling item. There you go. You can see all the jungling item. If you finish looking, we go to your previous build item in down below of your hero. Click the change. After you click it, you can see X or cross. Click the X or cross so that it will delete your previous build item like this. After we deleted all the X or cross in your previous build item, you can now build a new one. Click the attack item like this. There you go. Now click your decided item that you want to put in your hero like this. Example, I will choose Red Moon. Click the Red Moon item. After you click it, click the first equip so that the Red Moon item will put in first equip like this. Second, we go to movement so that we can choose boots that we put in your hero. Example, I will choose Hunter boots. After I click the Hunter boots like this, I will click the second equip so that I can put the Hunter boots there. There you go. After I put the Hunter boots, we go to another equip, the third equip. Click the build item that you want to choose. Example, I choose in attack. Click. After you click, you can choose what you want to put in your hero. Example, I choose Rage Thunder. After I click the Rage Thunder, there you go. I will click again the third equip so that it will put your chosen attack item in that area. Now we go to a fourth one equip item. You can decide it what you want to put in that area. Example, I choose in attack. I will click the Berserker Edge. There you go. So that I can put import equip. After I click the Berserker Edge, I will click the port equip so that I can put Berserker Edge in that area like this. After I put, we go to the pip equip. Example, I choose in attack build item. I will look the edge stone. I will click it. After I click it, I will click the pip equip so that I can put the edge stone in that area. There you go. We go now to the last one, the 6 equip. Example, I choose in defense. I will click the defense so that I will choose the item that I wanna put in 6 equip. There you go. Example, I choose Nirvana. I will click Nirvana. After we click the 6 equip so that we can put the last build item that we choose like this. Click the 6 equip so that I can put Nirvana there. Now we have the 6 complete build item in your hero. After we put all together, click the OK, that the yellow one, click it, OK. There you go. All the choose the build item you want in your hero. I choose Sylvis Masman. This one is good for Sylvis Masman. I will recommend it to use this build to your hero Sylvis. I hope this tutorial will help you to how to change build item in your favorite hero. I hope I helped you for this simple video. Thank you for watching this simple video that I made. God bless you all. Enjoy your new build item in your hero. You can play now in your Heroes Arena hero. Thank you.